Úbeda is located in the province of Jaen, in the region of Andalusia, about 3 hours drive south of Madrid. It seems to sit off the beaten path, therefore you may expect it to be less busy than any other tourist spots in Spain. Together with the nearby city of Baeza, it's known as one of the best examples of Spanish Renaissance architecture, dated back to the 16th century. Ubeda's Renaissance was pioneered by prominent residents Francisco de los Cobos y Molina and his nephew Juan Vázquez de Molina, who both served as secretaries to the kings. The most spectacular buildings, such as the Sacred Chapel of the Savior and the Vázquez de Molina Palace, were designed by a renowned Spanish architect, Andrés de Vandelvira. There's something special about this place. It's a small town. A 2-day visit is perhaps enough to see everything you would want to see. It has a very specific atmosphere, which we believe leaves a mark on your heart for the rest of your life. Its architecture, its location among endless olive groves, the fact that there's no crowds so you can admire it at your own pace, and the people, somehow reserved but so warm at heart. Just take your time and get lost walking narrow cobblestone streets. Admire its beautiful buildings, churches and squares. Dine in one of its restaurants which serve unique Andalusian fare and step into one of the pottery stores, such as this.
Que te está grabando.
Este hombre es el mejor amigo mío.
Ahí está.
Liliana.
Pues esto tenemos que haberlo
Memoria.
hecho. Y se queda dormir esta noche en Úbeda, ¿no?
Alfarería Tito is the place where Juan Martinez Villacañas, known as Tito, and his son Pablo create and sell their beautiful pottery. Both men are the artists in their trade who continue the tradition of the Iberian pottery and adapt into a contemporary aesthetics. Sinagoga dell'Aqua was discovered during excavation work for the project to transform the old property into an apartment building. The restoration work started in 2007, and in February 2010 the place was open to the public. Official sources say that the synagogue dates before the 14th century. On your next visit to Andalusia, take a break in Úbeda and fall in love with it, as we did.